In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zendesk organizations. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to create a new organization from scratch, add domains so your users are grouped correctly, and understand the key options available on an organization's profile page. First, make sure you're logged into your Zendesk support dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen. In the navigation bar, find the icon that looks like a small building. This is the organization's icon. Go ahead and click that to open the organizations section. At the top right of this page, you'll see a button labeled Add Organization. Click this, and a pop-up window will appear with two main fields you need to fill in. The first field is the name. Here, type the name of the organization you want to add. This is usually the company or client name that your tickets will be associated with. Try to use a consistent naming convention, so it's easy to search and avoid duplicates later. The second field is domains. This is where you enter the email domains that belong to this organization. For example, if the company uses addresses like someone@example.com, you would add example.com as the domain. If the organization uses multiple domains, you can add more than one. Just separate them with a space. Any user whose email matches one of these domains can be automatically associated with this organization, which really helps keep your tickets organized. Once you've entered the name and domains, look to the bottom right of the pop-up and click the Add button. After a moment, the page will reload and automatically open the new organization's profile. On the organization profile page, you'll see a panel on the left where you can customize a number of important settings. Here, you can add or edit tags, which make filtering and automation easier. You can adjust domains if you need to add or remove any later. You can also set the group that will typically handle tickets from this organization, define user access rules, and fill in additional details or internal notes about the organization, such as account status or special handling instructions. In the top right corner of the organization profile, there's an Actions button. When you click this, a drop-down menu appears. From here, you can add a new user directly to this organization, merge this organization into another one if you've created a duplicate, or delete the organization entirely if it's no longer needed. And that's it. You've now set up a Zendesk organization, configured its basic settings, and learned where to manage users and maintenance actions going forward.